routing. So we go here to the express.js.com/en for English /guide/routing.html, and this is the link where you can find this information about routing. So routing refers to how an application's endpoints URIs respond to client requests. For an introduction to routing, see basic routing, so you can check out this link if you want. You define routing using methods of the Express app object that correspond to HTTP methods. For example, app.get open parentheses close parentheses to handle get requests, and app.post to handle post requests. For a full list, see app.method. Here you have another method about the app.method path callbacks, so you can check that. You can also use app.all with parentheses to handle all HTTP methods, and app.use to specify middleware as the callback function. See using middleware for details. Here you have another link. These routing methods specify a callback function, sometimes called handler functions, called when the application receives a request to the specified route, the endpoint, and HTTP method. In other words, the application listens for requests that match the specified route or routes and method or methods, and when it detects a match, it calls the specified callback function. In fact, the routing methods can have more than one callback function as arguments. With multiple callback functions, it is important to provide next as an argument to the callback function, and then call next open parentheses close parentheses within the body of the function to hand off control to the next callback. The following code is an example of a very basic route. So we have const express require open parentheses open single quotes. Inside the single quotes we type in express, and to the next line we have const, we have app express open parentheses close parentheses. So here we have double slash, there is a comment, respond with hello world when a get request is made to the home page. Okay, app.get open parentheses, we have an argument here, the root that is represented by the slash, comma, we have request response, then we have the arrow function, open curly braces, inside the curly braces we have the res.send, we open parentheses, open single quotes, inside the single quotes you type in your message. So we have the route methods. A route method is derived from one of the HTTP methods, and it is attached to an instance of the Express class. The following code is an example of routes that are defined for the get and the post methods to the root of the app. So you have the get method route, you have the post method route, and by the way, there's a application very helpful for this. This is called Postman. I mean, the future I will make a video about Postman, but it's a very useful application for the different type of methods. You have the get method, the post method, update, delete method. Well, here we have the get method route. We have app.get open parentheses, we have the root, the slash, we have the request.response, the arrow function, open curly braces, we have the res.send, open parentheses, and here we have the message, get request to the home page. Here in this next line we have a comment that is post method route. So we have app.post, again open parentheses, we have this argument, we have the slash, that is the root, we have the request response, we have the error function, we have the rest.send, post request to the home page. Here Express supports methods that correspond to all HTTP request methods, get, post, and so on. For a full list, see app.method. So here's another link. There is a special routing method, app.all, open parentheses, close parentheses, used to load middleware functions are a path for all HTTP request methods. For example, the following handler is executed for request to the route, open quotation marks, /secret, close quotation marks, whether using get, post, put, delete, or any other HTTP request method supported in the HTTP module. So here we have this send us to the no website, but you can read that information too. We have app.all, open parentheses, we have this argument here inside of single quotes. Now we have /secret, and what this means, for example, if you go I don't know, local host 3000, when you see that slash, pretty much this is what the slash means. Now when it says like a /secret, it will mean something like this, just a /secret. Right now it's not sending us to anywhere because we haven't even started the application, but it's just an example. Now here we have another argument, we have the request, the response, and now we have next. So we have the arrow function, open curly braces, we have the console.log, and this is the information inside of single quotes, accessing the secret section, 3 dots here, next, and again don't forget to put the parentheses. So here's a comment, pass control to the next handler. Okay, route paths in combination with a request method define the endpoints at which requests can be made. Route path can be strings, patterns, or regular expressions. The characters question mark, the plus sign, asterisk, and the parentheses are subsets of their regular expression counterparts. The hyphen and the dot are interpreted literally by a string-based paths. If you need to use the $character in a path string and close it, escape with open parentheses, open brackets, in close brackets, close parentheses. For example, the path string for request add, open quotation marks, /data/ $sign or $character, book, close quotation marks, would be open quotation marks, /data/ open parentheses, open brackets, $sign, close brackets, close parentheses, book, and then close quotation marks. So it will be like this.